I do as much improvisation as is necessary. Whatever the script demands, whatever the punch demands, whatever the timing demands, I do that. And if I can better it with my performance, then I try to. Otherwise, I usually stick to what needs to be done. Yeah, see, I just follow a script and a character, whatever, like Grandmasti, etc. All those different scripts as to what Kya Cool is. So my character, the way the guy performs, and the way the director, takes the shot, everything is very different. So that itself brings the novelty in my performance, and I try and do my best to satisfy my director and to do what I'm supposed to do for the script. So rest, I just leave it upon the director and then just try and make it look different as much as I can.
I guess Umesh was very much in control, so I don't favor this thing of going on set and constantly changing things too much. I like things to be kind of clear, and at the same time there should be room for some improvement, which we have done. But we were pretty much sorted with what needs to come out of each scene. तो हम लोग जाके शूट कर देते थे. हम लोग कोई मतलब कि शान पट्टी एक्स्ट्रा ऐसे करते इतना नहीं चल रहा था. I think we're pretty much senior in that sense to know that okay, a scene can be done differently and every actor is free to do it. You don't have to come and neither of us nor Aftab, we were trying to do what directors do. So Umesh was pretty much in control and he knew exactly that okay, this scene will be done this way, and if there are certain lines that have to be removed or certain lines that were added, that was always happening. But by and large, we were working within a boundary of the normalcy which happens with every comedy film.
Yes.
We were not going into another zone altogether and just
Sticking to
wasting time. I believe that's wasting time. Too much improvisation, etc. really takes a film to another. It doesn't stick to what we had heard.
That's because with Aftab and Tushar, from where Tushar comes, he is like in Golmaal what he has done, Golmaal series, Kya Cool Hai Hum. So his expertise, Aftab also in comedy again, Masti, Grand Masti, Hangama, Olaf Kelly, whatever comedy stuff he has done. So I have seen all those films. So I knew where they were coming from. I was coming from a David Brown school. So, but this being a sex comedy obviously is very different because David G's films have been clean comedies and family comedy. But comedy is the common, key.
It's serious business, whichever genre you do.
Comedy.
सेट पर कभी ऐसा महसूस नहीं है कि हम अडल्ट सेक्स कॉमेडी कर रहे हैं. सेट पर महसूस हुआ कि सुर क्या है, सही एनर्जी सही है कि नहीं. All those insecurities that you have while making any movie are there in even an adult comedy. It's not a shortcut to anything.
Exactly.
And I think हम लोग ने कभी कोई सीन से बाहर जाकर कुछ नहीं किया, गए नहीं.
Because we had
कभी हम लोग बोलते थे कि उमेश इसको थोड़ा अभी यहाँ पर मतलब suppose it's the middle of the film, let's raise the bar, let's raise the energy, we should go a little mad now thoda. We used to do that.
Correct.
But otherwise we never altered. There were lots of readings we did before we went on set.
Even though, you'll be shocked that it's a sex comedy or a comedy.
Well, we had readings and workshops. I had a workshop for my character.
For what they have done in the film. So even after, very seriously we've had these workshops because I have a couple of actors who are relatively fresh. They have done the guys who are playing Monster. So they have just done 1-2 films and one was absolutely raw. So they also I wanted them to come on the same page, comfort level with Tushar Aftab. Their timing is great. Krishna Abhishek also is there in the film. So they all are and they gelled very well. From day one their chemistry was great. I didn't have to really work hard. They were pro at it because we had read the script a couple of times. So on the set they were like, chalo, wake up karo and let's take it. It was that easy for me because of these actors.
My character is one that sees anything red, especially in a woman. He goes like this. So I had to learn that a bit, and then he wanted me to have some sittings with Mandana also because she was doing a workshop for her scenes, the Hindi and all that. So I had to have some. 2-3 days I did sit with her and the tutor on just getting used to working with each other. And then with Aftab we had a lot of look tests, Aftab, myself and all, because we had a lot of spoofs in the film and a lot of costume changes. So we had a grueling look test last January.
Every look, yes.
So we have done everything very systematically. and I think for first time director he's finished the film in 55 days, which is very reasonable. Not really. I think nobody gets offended if it's a spoof that kind of pays homage to character of a blockbuster film. If your film is a big hit, ये रंगीला के टाइम से चला आ रहा है. अगर बहुत बड़ी हिट फिल्मों की मतलब आप स्पूफ करते हो या टेक ऑफ करते हो, I would feel happy if somebody did do my film. So I guess they would also feel like okay, it's like almost like giving it cult status. You know?
Like in Golma, the spoof of Black was done. And
Yeah.
a couple of other films also. So it's been like the parody or the spoofs is nothing new for the audiences or even for the film fraternity.
And ये हिट फिल्मों की ना हम किसी नई चली हुई फिल्म की मजाक नहीं उड़ा रहे.
They're all cult films, I would say, starting with Sholay, so which we've not made fun of, but we've turned them into comic and naughty spoofs in which Tushar and Aftab both play different characters. It was fun, I think. Right?
Yeah, of course.
Playing sometimes Singham, sometimes Gabbar and Kapoor. Somebody just called me today saying that Gabbar thing, journalist, some journalist today was interviewing me and said, I fell down laughing when Tushar did that Gabbar thing. So I said, you didn't notice Aftab, he's Thakur in that. So trailer में बहुत fast निकल
Yeah.
So that's the thing, the reaction has been very positive, and here I would also say that
it's been like a tough. We've been all of
tough
us.
fest.
We've been involved in after the film shooting of Aftab and me. Aftab had some one or two screenings. I think you've seen the film once or twice.
I've seen the
Only
Yeah, I've seen it once or twice. Then we were together in the censor process. We were together in lots of cutting. It's nurtured. We've nurtured this film together. Yeah.
Literally.
And Umesh has lived this film. I mean, totally.
It's releasing exactly after 1 year.
David G has seen the film. I can tell you.
Yes.
David G has seen the film. David G is so excited about it. We've gotten censors for every medium. The marketing team has been planning this for a while, and we've gotten a YouTube trailer, we've got a theatrical trailer, and for television the talkie promos are different. So there's systematically, I think, कायदे दायरे में
सबके हाँ,
legally
अलग-अलग
किया गया है सब कुछ.
There's lots more fun. It's not just about, if you go by the word porncom. So the story itself is very, I think, interesting and unique. The USP of the film is those spoofs which are done in the porncom way. And then there is an interesting story. That's the love story. And then what happens? All the fun. It then becomes like a situational comedy where the real family and the fake family come in front of each other. And out of it, the fake family is made out of porn actors. That's why the word porncom.
I think each one has his own directorial style. Sangeet ji has his own style. Sachin, being the writer turned come director, he had his own style. And Umesh has his own style. I think Umesh, coming from David G's school, I think this is the Kyakur which doesn't restrict itself to a certain audience. I think the second half especially goes very wide as far as the target audience is concerned. Because there's Box Office India magazine, I can talk in that, very box office term. I think it goes into the zone where I think adult audiences of all age groups will like the film. It's not just Kyakur 1 and 2, a very youthful, rather rom-comish. I think here, the Umesh's treatment has given it much more universality, and that's his style. He's very commercial.
Cater to wider audiences.
And Sachin was different. So each one is different. I think I told him now you have to don't change the director, please.